Afternoon, everybody. This is Tommy Myers with MarineMax LINC here in Austin, Texas. And today I want to show you the three favorite things that I like about the 2020 Nautique GS20. The three favorite things happens to be tied into 3-event skiers. This is a great 3-event skier boat, and if you have that wake surfer, wakeboarder in the family, it's still a very nice boat for wake surfing and wakeboarding. So the second favorite thing on this boat is the fact that this is a 20-foot boat and it's rated for 12 people. There's not very many 20-foot boats that you can fit that many people in and what it's rated for legally. The third thing about this boat, being a nice 3-event boat, is when you do get ready for that ultimate ski run, instead of hooking up to the tower of the back of the boat, you got a nice pop-up pylon here for that ultimate tournament ski pulling experience. So this is a 20-foot boat, GS20. So you have the aft seats on the back. Come on, let's take a visit to the GS20. You have a very nice walkthrough on this boat. It has all the features of the GS22 and the GS24. Boat comes with the LINC system, and it's very roomy for a 20-foot boat. So if you like to get out on a lake, do a little skiing when it's calm, but later in the day you want to do some wakeboarding and some surfing, there's no better boat to look at than the GS20. Come on down to MarineMax LINC, and I'll be glad to show you this boat. I'm Tommy Myers. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions about this boat or any other models, feel free to call me or ask for any of our sales staff, or visit us at any of our locations, Austin, San Antonio, or Lakeway.